Alright guys, so I'm gonna get my old catalytic converter, and it's not Cadillac. I know a lot of people say Cadillac, but it's a catalytic converter. I sometimes have problems pronouncing that, but yeah. And I also have a DC Integra Resonator. So I'm gonna go to the garage, we'll check it out, and along with some other parts that I'm gonna throw on the car. But yeah, so I got this weak little Kenwood head unit, barely works, shuts on and off, but beats nothing. So finally I'm gonna have this rattly old cat gone. Yeah, I can still kind of hear it, but it gets worse as it warms up. So yeah. Alright guys, so here in the garage finally got the cat. This is from my old 96 Integra with these booger welds. And it was actually kind of funny because when I cut the cat, I finally realized where I was getting my exhaust leak that I had for like 3 years. And it was right there where they really never even, you know, welded that piece right there. So all this was welded up where you can see obviously it's scraped, so this was the bottom, but they couldn't reach up there. So pretty frustrating. I had to live with that. And this cat is basically new. It has about 5,000 miles on it. I don't know if you can see inside there, but yeah, like the honeycomb, it's actually nice and gray and everything looks nice. And this is from a DC. This is from the same Integra. Well, not the same one, but a DC4. But the only thing though is that it actually has a little rot right there, a hole. So I don't know if I should even bother putting this one. I have another one, but yeah. So this right here is gonna go on, and this right here is gonna go on, and hopefully they don't say that I stole this when I literally cut it off of my old car before I junked it. So that's gonna be a little bit weird. So just gotta ask around. And then also have these. This is for a strut bar. I'm gonna put this on most likely eBay, but I actually have the center bar. Gonna throw this on the DA for a strut bar. And so yeah, so gonna throw this on, make it look all nice, probably clean them up a little bit, and yeah, most likely eBay, but who knows, who cares, just gonna throw it on. So let's go on to the other stuff that I have. Alright, so besides those parts, I have this ASR subframe brace right here, and it's in pretty good condition overall. It's not too bad. And this does not fit the DA because these are where the sway bar, you know, the brackets will go, and obviously DAs don't have the actual sway bar mounted to the subframe. But I want to see if I can try and drill these out, put some nuts and bolts, some long bolts through, and sandwich it somehow, run this brace. And along with yeah, this one is wrong, well, that one's wrong, so, and then just run it like this. That'll be pretty dang dope. And I actually have aluminum lower control arms from a DC on the car already, so that'll be kind of cool to complete it with like a 24 millimeter sway bar. That'll be dope. So yeah, so let's go to the muffler shop and let's see if they could get this on there. There she is, guys. So happy I'm finally getting this done. There's a resonator right there, and the cat's up there. But yeah. Alright guys, so here it is right here. So nice to finally look underneath. Alright guys, so it looks like it needs bushings for sure. But yeah. These bushings are so petrified. They're like plastic. This is the sway bar mount right there. The other one, someone took it off. But yeah. Oh, and this is the major issue I have right here. You could see where it's super close. That is no good. So I gotta get another pipe that goes up like a U shape to try and like clear that. This is so bad. I tried putting some sealant right here. That was bad. Alright guys, so here's the little progress. Wow, look at that. Completely shattered into nothing. It's literally a ball in there, just wobbling around. So yeah, so he's gonna end up using the flange off the other one, so that's gonna be pretty cool. And the only thing that's bad is the fact that the resonator is gonna be about this big, and it might not even fit. So yeah, I still gotta see. And then if it does fit, it might not even clear from the ground clearance. So yeah, I might sit lower. But yeah, I could probably put it somewhere here. We'll see. Alright guys, so here's a little update. I got this resonator installed, and there's the old cat right there. And yeah, so it's looking pretty good, kind of janky, but man, this is gonna be a night and day difference. So yeah, finally. And he put a little O2 delete thing right there, a plug, so that's nice. Very nice, finally. Alright guys, so this is just a little pull with the new exhaust. Pretty dang smooth. Alright guys, so right here in traffic, as usual, it's LA, but yeah, so the car is super smooth, it's quiet, and it's just what I wanted. Resonator and the cat installed, and he did like a little extra work to try and raise it up a little bit, so that was kind of cool. But yeah, so I'm gonna cut it off right here. If you want to see more, please subscribe and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Kind of a short one, but yeah. Alright guys.